You guys, I'm going to show you how I've been making my gelatin. I know it's not Jello brand. My gelatin, my electrolyte gelatin. I love them. They're so stiff. I don't like the jiggly. I want it to be like a bar that I can just pick up. I'm getting hydration and electrolytes all in one delicious, fun thing. I'm just gonna call it a thing. So this, I can get 3 cups of water, 1 serving of my SALTT electrolytes, and I don't like to drink my calories, but I love to eat my calories. So come on, let's make some Jello. Some gelatin. Sorry, let's make some electrolyte SALTT gelatin. I've lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating. I personally need to supplement with electrolytes, so I'm going to show you a fun new thing that I've been doing to supplement with some electrolytes. Electrolytes has been a huge part of my weight loss journey, and this has been an extremely fun way that I have been getting my electrolytes lately. 1.5 cups of cold water, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, give it a good stir. Let the gelatin bloom and absorb the moisture for about 2 to 3 minutes. While that's blooming, I go ahead and get 1.5 cups of water times 3 and get my kettle cooking that up. I'm really enjoying this summer flavor, feeling peachy. And if you click the link in the description of this video, you can get a discount on your next purchase. Once you have your water hot, you'll go ahead and add 1.5 cups into your container of choice. 1, 2, 3. At this stage, I add in my electrolytes. You could do this with any flavor, but like I said, I really have been enjoying the salty electrolytes, especially the this peach flavor. I've made this flavor with gummies as well. You can find that video on my channel. This is just easy way. You're going to get 3 cups of water and 1 serving of electrolytes in one quick, fun, sorry, I can't think and talk at the same time. You're going to get your electrolytes and 3 cups of water in one fun way of getting it. For some reason, it's easier and more fun for me to eat my calories than to drink my calories and electrolytes. So this way, I'm getting the best of both worlds. I'm eating, but I'm still getting the hydration and electrolytes that I need. Next up, we put them in the refrigerator. I let it refrigerate for about 3 to 4 hours, and then you're gonna have an amazing gelatin. And we'll look at it again, but this is some that I have already made and cut up into bricks, and I take this to work with me. So this was 3 cups of water and 1 serving of electrolytes right here. Salty electrolytes, and you see how easy they absorbed? So there's not any clumps or anything, so it really does dissolve really fast. Guys, they're ready. I love it. They even have a slight peach color. But look, I like the texture where I can pick it up and eat it. Reason being, I do this at work. And look, and I have my own Jello bars. It was something I remember as a child. Friends would bring to school for their birthday, and they'd have Jello squares. So I'm super stoked. So now I can just take this, I'll put a lid on them, and take them to work. And I got Jello I've got electrolyte gelatin